Welcome to Mrs. O's Math World. So today we are going to continue to discuss the word problem. So please look at question 19. Jason's age is 1/4 of his father's age. So it means the age right now. 28 years later, Jason's age will be 3/5 of his father's age. So you're asked to find how old was Jason's father when Jason was born. So let's find the age of Jason right now first. But we need to know their ages 28 years later because we need to form an equation. So let's try to see to let unknown when Jason's father, because we want to find it to be y, and let it first. So let's see. So Jason was 1/4 of his father's age right now. 1/4y plus 28. Because we need to add 28 for both of them because they will also grow up. But fraction isn't a nice thing, so we cleared it. Right? Fraction is very difficult to calculate. So instead, we can let Jason's age be y, so that his father's age is 4y. And again, after 28 years, they will also grow up for 28 years. So Jason's father's age will also be plus 28 at the same time. So right now we can let Jason's age. So we have let Jason's age right now be y, and then we use the information here. 28 years later, Jason's age will be 3/5 of his father's age. 3/5 means 3/5. Okay, 3/5 of his father's age. Here. Of his father's age. That means this one, 3/5 times the whole thing, will be equals to Jason's age. So write down y plus 28 first, and you will get 3/5 times 4y plus 28. So right now we multiply 5 on both sides, and at the same time we expand 3 inside. So we get the value of y, which is equals to 8. So we know that the age of Jason's right now to be y. That means 8. And at the same time, his father's age is equals to 4 times y equals to 32. But we are asked to find the age of Jason's father when Jason was born. That means Jason was 0 years old. When he's 0 years old, that means it is 8 years before. So for 8 years before, that means his father's age will be 8 years less than the age right now. So that means you have 32 minus 8, so equals to 24. So that's the end for part A. The most important point is whenever you have the number of ages years later, both the ages of Jason's and his father, actually everyone, will also grow up. We need to add it. For later, we just add a plus. If it is a goal, then we just use the minus. Alright? So for part A, we need to have a table for it. But for part B, it's a little bit different because this time we don't have any ages which is before or after. So we just need to solve the equation as usual. So as a was is also a kind of equal sign like is. And then his age, maybe I say it is n. And then it was, that means equal sign, 1/5 of his father's age. So 1/5 of his father's age. Hey, but if a question mark, which is, what is the relationship of his father's age? So do you still remember? How old does Jason's father older than Jason? So that is a very important question. So that's the end of this video. See you next time.